Hi, how are you? This is Sumit, and I'm from Indian Institute of E-commerce. So this is the opportunity where I'm giving you this plug-and-play e-commerce export business where you can export textile and fabrics. There are many exporters which are in my contact, but they are doing big size trade and they do not want you to be another competitor. But I want you to get into this market because these products, whether these are industrial fabrics or as you can see that these different products, huge demand across the world, not just in Africa or not just in Southeast Asia. Europe is a big market. South America is a good market. Asia itself is a good market. Everyone wants to buy clothes, right? They need fabric. Stitching is one part, but then the quality of fabric, there's huge market in this. So I was just exploring this Amazon.com and I saw that cotton fabric, if you see here, people are simply buying fabrics. That means they're just making this in their own home. They may be just, stitching them, or maybe they're simply gifting out. So many opportunities are there in this. Just think for $35, $35. If you're keeping for this kind of thing, it's written like 900 sales, that's around 1,000 sales. That means $30,000 worth of profit or revenue you can generate in this particular single commodity. Of course, if you're selling this, you're not selling one piece only, right? With this, you can have many more things. I'm just clicking on this AK Trading Company to see that what all they have. They mostly have fabrics only, and you can see that they have listed the price, which is quite high, I feel. That means people are buying at this price. So same way, if you see Etsy.com also, there are fabrics which are crazily priced very high, like who sells at $115, but people are buying. That means $116, $185. That's amazing, like $465. Same if you go to Singapore's website, Lazada. Here also you can see 33 sold, 120 sold, 1,800 sold, 2,700 sold. People are buying. So I'm saying you that there's an opportunity for textile fabrics. There are thousands of fabric designs and quality of fabric that we can directly source from Indian manufacturers. We can build an e-commerce store. I'll give you everything as a plug and play model. As you can see, this is my own e-commerce store, and you can have all these tools, which is I'm showing you right now. You can have everything as part of the same system. I myself have uploaded thousands of such kind of products in my e-commerce store and I'm selling them. If you see the appearance of the store, you can actually design your own theme, your own store. You can apply the theme that you feel is near to your heart, and then you can make that site live. You can have thousands of such products which you can directly sell. I'm also giving you tools and softwares which you can install in this, and you can make your website more robust. You can do searching and optimization, social media marketing, you can use live chat, you can integrate AI tools, everything as part of the single program itself. Now let me tell you the best opportunity. This is the all-in-one program. All-in-one means everything is included. You get access of the pre-recorded video lectures plus live classes plus software tools plus database of suppliers and buyers. What do you need more? You just need to now execute. You need to just crack deals. That's all you have to do. So this entire program that I'm giving you, this is one thing that is more of like Bible or Quran or Gita of e-commerce. Once you learn this, you don't need any other program. Everything is included. Digital marketing, affiliate marketing, social media marketing, SEO, whatever you name it, everything is there. How to make website, how to do Shopify store development, how to create WordPress store development, how to do export, everything we have created in this. No other program is required. This is like one single program, and you also get government approved certifications. All the certifications, what you're seeing, everything I'll give you. You don't have to pay anything extra for any of these certifications. This comes with lifetime access, lifetime update, lifetime support, and this is 100% practical live interactive training. That means whatever you questions are there, how many doubts you have, whatever numbers, you can always keep asking us, and my team will be there to always respond to your every single query that you have. So you don't have to worry about the training quality and the support is something which I feel in education it should be always there. If you're starting an e-commerce business, you're taking a risk of switching your career from your job or any other business you are doing. We want to make sure that you are getting complete support from us. So in terms of live mentorship, we make sure that live classes are there from industry experts, and you are getting all the updates from our side. And the lifetime access, update, and support is going to give you a lot of confidence in terms of building your business. Many experts are there with IIC. You can learn from them. And as I told, even if you're a student, working professional, business owner, entrepreneur, freelancer, whoever are you right now, that doesn't matter. As long as you're passionate for earning money using e-commerce, my team will be here to guide you. We have always been in news with Amazon, with Alibaba. We have done great amount of success with Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, Government of India, then Tata Group and WTO. We have done a great amount of projects, and these projects are the success story for IIC. So what I'm giving you is something which people will not even give at this price. People will charge you for all this 17 certifications that I'm showing you, 50,000 rupees each. The whole program will cost you not less than 6 to 7 lakh rupees. But here, since you are a student and you want to build your business, and I'm giving you everything as a model, which is like a plug and play business, so go ahead with this opportunity. Don't miss out, because I'm also giving you recorded content plus ebooks and white papers and case studies, infographics, and many more formats of content so that you can learn the art of e-commerce business. With this single program, you will have complete access of the textile business. So what I'm doing here, the same exact thing you can do by yourself. And if you see, this is my website called Shripur. You can have your own domain, you can customize the website, you can build everything your own. You don't have to pay anything for this store builder. I'm giving it to you from my side. And this is Stripe, this is PayPal, this is cash on delivery. All the payment gateways you can integrate. You can build a highly successful e-commerce business immediately. So everything, if you do properly, I'm very sure that you can make easily 20-25 lakh rupees of monthly profit. But in the worst case scenario, you can still make great amount of profits. Maybe 8 to 10 lakh is something which you can do if you follow the process of e-commerce exports properly. Correct? You don't have to buy anything. You just have to simply build the store, start doing the marketing, and start generating the deals and close sales from the suppliers. So very simple process I'm giving you: the store, the products, and how to sell. The whole step-by-step method is in front of you. You can get started with this business opportunity today. And trust me, Indian textile has got a great demand in the global market. And we are now also going with ESG, that is environment friendly, sustainable, biodegradable, and organic kind of clothing. And India is one of the leader in this niche. And that's how, if you want to revive India's past, where India was called as the golden goose, we had great textiles like muslin and all. There, India was a dominant force, and today again we can do it by just exporting Indian textile to the global market. So my suggestion is, you can take up this plug and play e-commerce store builder. Close your eyes, take this decision. I'm very confident that this will change your life. And this is hardly an investment. You're buying a phone today, you're buying anything today, it costs more than this. And this business is going to give you more returns. That means whatever you're investing, by building this business, by growing this business, your value of the business will be in few $1 million. And if you're a few $1 million business, do you think that you are making money or not? Of course, making great amount of profits. So for making profit, instead of investing in any other thing, my humble request is to start your own e-commerce business with IIC and transform your life completely. You also get the mentorship, which is 50,000 rupees value of mentorship as part of the single program itself. So everything that you are seeing right now is part of the plug and play store builder. And with the mentorship and guidance, you can actually build a very successful business. What are you waiting for? Start your successful journey in e-commerce exports with IIC today. Thank you.